Hi everyone, welcome to BR Academy. Today we will discuss our topic is increasing and decreasing. In terminology we have the meaning increasing up, decreasing down. But if by the given function we would say it is increasing or decreasing. Okay, na? Yeah, see here. A function f of x said to be a strictly increasing if x2 greater than x1. See here, you observe here x1 and x2 is greater here. Yeah, you observe here x1, x2 is greater. When x2 is greater than x1, that implies f of x2 greater than f of x1. Then the function is said to be a, it is what here? Strictly increasing here. So it is what here? F of x is said to be a strictly increasing. A function f of x said to be strictly increasing if x2 greater than x1. That implies f of x2 greater than f of x1. Means function is also increasing. When x values are increasing, that curve is going to up like this here. When x values are increasing, the curve is going to up. So that is strictly increasing here. A function is said to be increasing if x2 greater than x1. Here x2 means it is sharp here. Here only inequality, only x1 greater than means here only sharper. Here equal to means just normal eigen like this will go like this here. Okay, na? Just like this. But it is increasing. Both are increasing. Just go and just movement, just to parallel, just like this and go to the up. Both are, it is also increasing here. So here a function f of x said to be if x greater than x2 greater than x1, that implies f of x2 greater than f. Same like this curve only. So like this will come here. Same curve like this will come. So it is f of x2. Here y is equal, it is parallel to x axis. So no change here. So and increasing. So that is f of x2 greater than or equal to f of x1. A function f is said to be strictly decreasing. Strictly decreasing if x2 greater than x1, that implies f of x2 less than f of x1. The function is decreasing here. When here x values are increasing, then the function is decreasing here. Here x values are increasing, the function is increasing. Here x values are increasing, the curve is decreasing here. The curve function, whatever the function here. Yeah, a function f of x said to be decreasing if x2 greater than x1. That implies f of x2 less than or equal to f of x1. Same as it only curve like this here, change and movement like this and go to like this here. Here, examples here. We know that y equal to mx plus c line. It is a linear equation. It is a line. So first degree equation y equal to mx plus c. What is the slope of the line? That is m. M is the slope of the line. That is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. R converted to y equal to mx plus c. Comparing here m equal to, see here y equal to mx plus c. Compare with y equal to x plus c. M is what here? X coefficient is 1. M equal to 1. When it is inclination means we know that the positive direction of the x-axis. Then what is the slope here? Theta equal tan theta equal to how much here? 1. Then theta is 45 degrees. So here y equal to x plus c. Then here slope is how much here? 1. Theta is 45 degrees. Then its graph is increasing. So the curve is f of x is increasing. Here that angle is positive, so the curve is increasing. The angle is negative, so the curve is decreasing like this here. So here y equal to minus, here minus is there, na? Slope is minus 1, theta equal to 135 degrees. Here x is increasing, the curve is decreasing, the line is decreasing. So it is f dash x, it is decreasing function here. Next, f of x is decreasing. See, we know that y equal to sin x graph. Okay, na? 0 to pi by 2 to pi 2 pi to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. See, you observe here 0 to pi by 2 means here it is no change here. Only again down here. Here no change here, again down here. So here this line is, it is a tangent at this point. It is parallel to the x axis. then it's it is no change means this is f dash x equal 0. So up to you observe here, it is increasing. Up to you observe here, 0 to pi by 2, it is increasing, and pi by 2 to pi, it is decreasing. The curve is decreasing. So see, observe here, here 0 to pi by 2, the function is increasing, and pi by 2 to pi, the function is decreasing. Down. Is there na? So it is decreasing here. Here, the function is differentiable. The function is differentiable, then f dash x is greater than 0. You know that. Now let me discuss then using this graph. F is increasing, so f dash x less than 0, f is decreasing here. Again, see, observe here. Suppose this is a curve, increasing curve here. These are the tangents. Here you observe here, tangents how it is up. Tangents are up. So it is f dash x is greater than 0. Up means here slope is positive, then it is f dash x is greater than 0. You observe here, this is a down curve. These are the tangents. Tangents how it is? It is slope of the tangent is how much here? It is negative. It is negative. F dash is less than 0. Slope of tangent is negative. You observe here. Here no change here. Only it is parallel to this line here. So f dash x equal 0 it is, then slope of tangent is 0, then it is parallel here. Here you observe here, now only we discuss this here, y equal to sin x 0 to 0 pi by 2 pi 3 pi by 2 2 pi. You observe here 0 to pi by 2 you observe here, it is which curve here? It is increasing or decreasing? It is increasing. Here including point 0 to pi, including here 0 to pi by 2, these are including. So 0 comma pi by 2, f dash x is greater than 0 equal to 0, then the function is increasing here. And pi by 2 to pi, so the function is what here? In pi by 2 to pi, the function is decreasing, means that is f dash x is less than or equal to 0. See here, monotonic function means it is single behavior. Monotonic function means it is single behavior, means here a function is said to be monotonic in a comma b if it is either only increasing or only decreasing. So it is said to be a monotonic function. Monotonic means it is a single behavior. A function is said to be monotonic in a comma b if it is either only increasing or only and decreasing here. So here here next one you have there. For example, see here, suppose you can take this curve here, suppose this point A, B, C. Here you observe here A to B this curve is increasing and B to C this curve is decreasing here. See, in this function, the interval a comma b it is what here? Increasing. The function is monotonic increasing. Here in b to c the function is monotonic decreasing. So in this interval b to c is what here? Monotonic decreasing. Let f, next one is here. Let f be a continuous function on closed interval a comma b and differentiable on open interval a comma b. If f dash x greater than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, f of x is what here? Increasing on a comma b. F dash x is less than or equal to 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, f of x already we discussed na, again we are discussing here, same points here. So for all here, for all x belongs to a comma b, f of x is decreasing in a comma b. See third one here, f dash x greater than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is strictly increasing on a comma b. F dash x less than 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is strictly decreasing on a comma b. And next fifth one, here f dash x equal 0 for all x belongs to a comma b, then f of x is constant function on interval a comma b. See here, so how can you find out they are increasing and decreasing? Now if you remember the 4 steps, we can find out easily. This is the easiest method here. First we will find out the critical points. We will find out the critical points means first process design here. Let the given function is f of x, then find f dash x. F dash x equal 0, then we will get the point x equal to c1, c2, c3. It is c1 less than c2 less than c3 here. Suppose the here critical points means here here changes its nature. Means here you see here, suppose this is 0 to pi by 2 and pi by 2 to pi. Here changing na? Changes its nature. At which point here, suppose this is C1 and here also changes its nature at C2 also. Here down and it is up. Here changing here. Here also C3. So here up and again it is changing down here. So here more critical points means here. So f dash x equal 0. Then changes its nature. These critical points are nature. Critical points nature not change here. For critical points nature not change here. Here next one see here. One more example here. Y equal to what is the curve here? X cube. You observe here. This is the y equal to x cube curve. It is the y equal to x cube curve. It is increasing here, increasing. Not change here. There is no change. Not change here. Then y equal to x cube. Its differential is 3x square. F dash x equal 0. X equal to 0. So when x equal 0, these critical points nature not change here. Here critical points nature is change. Here critical points nature is not change. These points are here. So sorry, these points change means here critical points not change here. So it is what here does not change means it is inflection point. It is what here inflection point. So the inflection sign does not change. Plot inflection sign does not change here. Okay na? Means here, suppose you example you take here in this between A to C1, C1 to C2 you take here. Not change means it is negative and it is also negative. If it is positive, if it is also positive. Means here not change here, same sign only. So here not change means it is increasing, it is decreasing. So it is inflection point here. Here first critical points. Next to divide and rule. After getting critical points, make a line here. It is straight line you take here. On straight line you take the points here. When it is given interval, you take a comma b. In between you take the points C1, C2, C3. So this is the second step. And third step is check out. Check out means here at A to C1. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3 is there. In between what here? 2 points you take here. So whatever, suppose the sign is positive, so it is increasing. In this one sign is negative, it is decreasing. It is positive, increasing. It is decreasing. So based on this sign, we can write the f of x is increasing or decreasing. For example, see here f dash x is A to C1. It is what is, suppose it is greater than 0. It is increasing. Up sign means increasing, down sign means decreasing here. Here and f dash x is C, observe here C2, C1 to C2 to C3, C2 to C3, observe here down here C2 to C3. So it is positive, negative, positive. So C3 to C3 comma B, you take here it is negative. Next to conclude here, f of x is strictly, so whichever where it is positive, A to C1 and C2 to C3. C2 to C3 it is positive. So C2 to C3 positive, it is C1 to C2 negative. So here write down here C1 comma C2, this one. It is less than 0 na? C1 comma C2. For C1 to C2 it is what here? Negative. So it is f dash x less than 0. Next conclude is what here? So in which interval positive it is? A to C1 positive and C3 to be positive. So it is what here? So it is increasing, strictly increasing in A to C1, C2 to C3. And f of x is strictly decreasing. So down is what here? So this is C2 to C1 to C2 and C3 to B. You observe here. C1 to C2 and C3 to B. So f of x is strictly increasing, decreasing in C1 comma C2 in and C3 comma B. So if you remember these 4 steps, we can do easily. First, given function write down here, f dash is find out here, f dash x equal 0, you will get the critical points. After that what here? Line, divide and rule. Divide and rule. A, C1, C2, C3 like this. So Based on the sign, we can say it is. We can write the conclusion. Conclude is strictly increasing on which interval, strictly decreasing on the interval. We can write this. This is the concept of the increasing and decreasing function. Don't confuse here. Easily we can find out here. Okay, na? So now we'll do the problems. Find the intervals. Find the intervals in which the function first one f of x equal to 3x power 4 minus 4x cube, next minus 12x square plus 5 is so now only we discuss na. If you remember the 4 steps we can do easily. First critical points find out here, next divide and rule, next check post, next conclude. Okay na? Here 4 steps. So first what we have to do, f dash x find out here. It is a 12x cube minus 12x square minus 24x. Here next step is what here, f dash x equal to 0. What is the common? 12 common. 12x common. That is x square minus x minus 2. Equal to how much here? 0. So what are the factors here? 12x into x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So that is x equal to 0 comma x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to how much here? 0. X minus 2 into x plus 1. So here f dash x is how much here? 12x into x plus 1 into x minus 2. So what are the critical points here? 0 comma minus 1 comma 2. Next step is what here? Divide rule. Divide rule. See here. So write on this one here. It is plus infinity to 2, it is minus infinity. So 0 it is minus 1, it is 0, it is 2. So what are the intervals here? Minus infinity comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 and 2 comma infinity. So first signs find out here. So next here minus infinity comma minus 1 I am taking here in this one, minus 2 I am taking here, f dash of minus 2 substitute here. So it is minus 2 plus 1 minus 2. So it is how much? So it is how much here? You take here x minus 2 na? Minus 2 plus 1 it is negative. It is also negative. So total is how much here? It is minus 2. That is 12 into minus 2 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. It is how much here? It is negative. Minus 1. It is minus into minus plus into minus. So it is how much here? Negative. So minus into minus 1, it is negative. Decreasing. Next, minus 1 comma 0. In this one value take here. 1 by 2 take here. F dash of 1 by 2 substitute here. 1 by 2 minus 1 comma 0. You take here. Here minus 1 by 2 you take here. Minus 1 by 2. Substitute here. That is 12 into minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. We observe here This is 2 minus 1. It is plus and it is negative and it is negative. Minus into plus minus. Minus into minus here plus. It is how much here? Positive. Positive means it is increasing. Minus 1 to 0. Next you take here 0 comma 2. In between 0 comma 2 here one value take here f dash 1. So 1 plus 1 2 1 minus 2. So it is how much here? Negative. So it is decreasing 0 to 2. Next you take it 2 comma infinity. 2 comma infinity, suppose 2 above values you take here, 3 you take here. So that is 12 into 3. Yes, 3 plus 1 positive, 3 minus 2 is, it is also positive. So it is how much here? So it is positive. Means here increasing here. So f of x is strictly increasing. So what is the first step is over, critical points is over. Next divide and rule. Next fact sign find out here. Next what is a conclude. So f of x is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing here what here? It is minus 1 to 0 and here minus 1 to 0. So this is minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 to 0. It is minus 1 to 0 increasing. You take care, this is minus 1 to 0. This is a minus 1. It is 0 now. It is 2. Minus 1 to 0 increasing. And 2 to infinity it is increasing. So we write down here strictly increasing here. Minus 1 comma 0 union 2 comma infinity. Next f of x is strictly decreasing. So decreasing what is in which interval? Minus infinity to minus 1 and 0 to 2. So that is minus infinity comma minus 1. Minus infinity comma minus 1 union 0 comma 2. So it is strictly increasing for which intervals? Minus 1 comma 0 union 2 comma infinity. Strictly decreasing on interval minus infinity comma minus 1 union 0 comma 2. This is the procedure. One more problem. See here. Second one. Here f of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square. Here minus 36x. Here plus 7. Same procedure. Already you discussed na. 4 step you remember. First one is critical points. Next one is divide and rule. Next check post. Next what here? Fourth one conclude. You gonna see. F dash x find out here. F dash x. That is 6x square minus 6x minus 36. So equal to 6 into x square minus x minus 6. It is 6 into x square minus 2x plus x plus minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. That is 6 into x minus 3 into x plus 2. This is f dash x. So next f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0. Then what are the points here? X equal to minus 2 comma critical points. Next step, divide rule. So divide rule. So it is minus infinity, it is plus infinity, minus 2, it is 3. So what are the intervals here? Check post minus infinity comma minus 2. Next minus 2 comma 3. Next 3 comma infinity. So first we have to find out the minus infinity to minus 2. We will find out here. In the interval, so check post. Next check post minus infinity to minus 2. So I am taking here minus 3. F dash of minus 3. Here It is negative, it is negative. So negative, negative, what here? Positive. It is positive. Minus infinity to minus 2, positive. Next we take it minus 2 comma 3. In this interval minus 2 comma 3, for example, we take it 1. So 1 minus 3, 1 plus 2. So it is what here? Negative. It is negative. Which value? F dash of 1 I am taking here, it is negative. So it is down. Next you take a 3 comma infinity. 3 comma infinity means 4 you take here. F dash 4. 4 minus 3, 4 plus 2. It is positive. So it is increasing. So for which intervals it is increasing? Minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. So therefore f of x is strictly increasing in which intervals here? Minus infinity comma minus 2 union 3 comma infinity. Next decreasing. Minus 2 to 3 you take here. Minus 2 minus 1, that is 0. Minus 1 you take or 2 you take here. So that is f of which intervals here? Minus 2 to 3 is negative. So it is minus 2 to 3 is negative. So f of x is strictly decreasing in interval what here? Minus 2 comma 3. One more problem we discuss. Third one. F of x equal to sin 3x. An interval given x belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Same problem, same procedure. See. First step, f dash x find out here. F dash x equal to 3 cos 3x. Next, f dash x equal to 0. 3 cos 3x equal to 0. We know that general solution cos x equal to 0. Then what is the general solution? Is x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here n belongs to z. N belongs to z. So cos 3x equal to 0. Cos 3x equal to 0. Then 3x equal to what here? 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to z. So that implies x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 6. Now we have to find out the values in between 0 to pi by 2. So restricted here 0 to pi by 2 only you have to take here. So n equal to 0 I am taking here. N belongs to 0. Then x equal to how much here? Pi by 6. Next n equal to 1 you take here. N equal to 1. So it is how much here? X equal to 3 pi by 6. It is how much here? Pi by 2. Next n equal to 2 you take here. That is x equal to, that is 2 to the 4 plus, that is x equal to 5 by 6. So only you take here 0 to only you, these two values only take here, because here it is 5 by 6 more than 90 degrees. So what are the values here? X equal to 5 by 6 comma 5 by 2. So next what here? Divide rule. So divide rule it is what here? It is minus infinity, it is plus infinity. So it is pi by 2, it is how much here? It is pi by 6, it is pi by 2. Right. Next check post. You take here minus infinity comma pi by 6 you take here. Minus infinity comma pi by 6. So minus infinity comma pi by 6. Substitute here. Minus, for example, it is 30 degrees. So minus 30 you take here. Minus pi by 3 you take here. Minus pi by 3 substitute here. So f dash x. F dash x is what is 3 cos 3x. Minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3. So it is how much here? 3 minus pi cos 180. So it is cos 180, 90 plus 90. So that is -1. So it is what here? Decreasing. Next, so it is negative. Next, pi by 6 to pi by 2. Pi by 6 to pi by 2. Pi by 6 to pi by 2 you take here. It is 45 you take here. 45 degrees are pi by 2 pi by 2 it is you take here. 60 degrees also you take here. 60 is how much here? That is pi by 3 na? Pi by 3. Here 3 cancel. Cos 180. So that is cos 180. It is how much here? Cos 180. 90 plus 90. That is -1. It is decreasing. So first we take it minus infinity to pi by 6. Minus infinity to pi by 6. It is how much here? You take, this is 30 degrees. 30 below value. 30 below value. So you take here, suppose 0, cos 0. 0 you take here, cos 0 1. It is positive. It is positive. Next. So what is the here in not minus infinity? What is the given interval is given? Na? So it is 0 you take here, it is pi by 2 you take here. Pi by 2 already I have taken. Na? So what are the values? Only up to here only you are taking here. Right. Right. 0 to pi by 6. 0 including it is positive. Next pi by 6 to pi by 2. Pi by 6 to pi by 2. Pi by 6 to 60 already you are taken. Na? 60 you take here. 60 degrees, 60 to 30, 180, cos 180, 90 plus 90, minus 90, -1. So it is how much here? Decreasing. So for which intervals here? 0 to pi by 6 and pi by 2 to, so this one interval is increasing here. So which intervals here? Pi by 6 to pi by 2. So f of x is, it is negative. So therefore f of x is strictly increasing. In which interval here? 0 comma pi by 6. 0 comma pi by 6. So once you observe here in this one, 0 comma pi by 6. Right. 0 comma pi by 6 comma pi by 6 comma pi by 2. So what is the given here interval here? 0 to pi by 6 only. 0 to pi by 6. Next, f of x, f dash x, f of x is strictly decreasing. In this way, in which interval here? Pi by 6 to pi by 2. That is pi by 6 comma pi by 2. Next one. Next problem. Fourth one. F of x equal to 2k plus 1 into x minus 3 minus k into e power minus x plus 2e power x is monotonically increasing for all x belongs to R, then the least value of k is first option 1, second option 0, third option -1/2, fourth option -1. So he has given before problem we had found out increasing for which intervals, increasing for decreasing for which interval. but here already it is given increasing means f dash is greater than 0. Then the local value of k, least value of k, least value. See, once you see here, same process. Either f dash is, we are find out here f dash is greater than 0. Take the values, depend on the function, you will get the k value. So f of x is what here? That is a 2k plus 1 into x minus 3 k into e power minus x 2 into e power x. F dash x equal to k. X value is how much here? 1. It is 0. Minus into minus plus k into e power minus x plus 2 into e power x. So that is f dash x equal to 0. So first simple write on this one 2k plus 1 plus k e power minus x plus 2 e power x. Okay na? So now f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0 means 2k plus 1 plus k into e power minus x 2 into e power x. E power minus x is, that is 1 by e power x, that is 2k plus 1 into e power x plus k plus 2 e power x whole square equal to how much here? 0. So here k common in this one, 2k into e power x plus k plus e power x plus 2 into e power x whole square equal to 0. So what is the k common in this one? K, that is or e power x common in this one. E power x common is 2k plus 1. Here e power x common or k common in this one. K common. So what you will get here? Find what here? Find the value of k. So that equal to f dash x. Factors. Okay na? First e power x. F dash is once again see what is the function? Check it here function. F of x equal what here? 2k plus 1 into x minus 3 minus k into e power x plus 2 e power x here. 2 e power x. Okay. See here 2 e power x here. Here is there. 2 e power x is there here. 2 e power x common. Remaining what here? K plus 2. K plus 1. K plus how much here? 1. 2 e power x common. E power x common. K plus e power x plus 1 common. K plus e power x. So that implies, so it will become 2 e power x plus 1 into e power x plus k. So what is here? Increasing. Increasing what here? It is greater than 0. Since given increasing. Given increasing up. So here clearly e power x is positive. Positive plus positive it is positive only. But k value, if k value is also positive and 0, e power x is positive. So k value must be non-negative. K value must be non-negative. So for which values here? K greater than or equal to 0. So if you take k value, what is the least value here? K equal to 0. So least value is k equal to 0. Next. The function f of x equal to x power 1 by x for x greater than 0 is first option. Increasing. Increasing means I am taking like this sign. Increasing in 1 comma infinity. Decreasing in 1 comma infinity. Next, second one. Yeah, second one, increasing in 1 comma e. Sorry, increasing in 1 comma infinity. First option. Here, second option, decreasing in 1 comma infinity. Your third option is increasing in 1 comma e and decreasing in e comma infinity. And fourth one, decreasing in 1 comma e and increasing in 1 comma e comma infinity. Right. Same. F dash is find out here. You know that variable power variable. Which differentiation we had to do? So logarithmic difference. So first we had to apply the log on both sides. So given function right on here, f of x equal to x power 1 by x. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. That is log f of x equal to 1 by x into log x. 1 by x into log x equal to how much here? Log x by x. We know that d by dx of u by v formula. U by v dash equal to vu dash minus uv dash by v square. Apply the quotient rule here. Apply the quotient rule. Here log f of x is 1 by f of x. Again f of x differentiation f dash x by v square x into log x differentiation 1 by x minus log x into x differentiation x cancel. That implies, so f dash x equal to f of x into 1 minus log x by x square. So f dash x, so here f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0 means 1 minus log x equal to 0 or 1. First is what here? X greater than 0. So first we have to find out here 1 minus log x equal to 0 right on here. So log x equal to how much here? 1. Base e. Then x equal to how much here? E. X value is how much here? E. See. First f dash x increasing. First option is what here? Increasing. F dash x greater than 0. So what is the f dash x here? F dash x, it is 1 minus log x is greater than 0. That is 1 greater than log x. It is base e. E greater than x. That is x less than e. So e is maximum. X is minimum. X is minimum is what here? Minimum minus infinity. So it will take the positive value only. So log 1 only you take here. That is x belongs to 1 comma you take here 1 comma e. This which value it is increasing. The decreasing f dash x less than 0. So f dash x equal to 1 minus log x less than 0. That is 1 less than log x to the base e and e less than x. That is x greater than e. So that implies x belongs to. So it will log values will take the only positive numbers only, positive values. So here x greater than v means up to infinity we take here. But here increasing function will take the don't take the negative values up to 1 log x. So we take the 1 only 1 comma infinity. See here because log 1 is 0 na, right. See here x belongs to what here? X greater than e. So e minimum, x is maximum. So it is e comma infinity. So observe here first option increasing in 1 comma infinity. But what you will get here? 1 comma you get here. So decreasing in 1 comma infinity. Here decreasing in 1 comma infinity and increasing in 1 comma e and decreasing in e comma infinity. Okay na? So third option is correct. Next, sixth one. Sixth problem. Let f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. Then f is an increasing function. F is an increasing function in the interval. In the interval. And first option given 5 pi by 8 comma 3 pi by 4. Second one 5 by 2 comma 5 pi by 8. And third one 5 by 4 comma 5 by 2. And 5 by 4 comma 5 by 2. Next 0 comma 5 by 4. Same as it is before only, it is also. So what we have to find out here, f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x, right? Cos power 4x. So increasing given f dash x greater than 0. So we know that sin function sin is upward is positive, downward is negative. 0 to pi positive and pi to 2 pi negative. We know that 0 to pi positive, first second quadrant positive and third fourth quadrant is negative. You observe here, first given function right down here, f of x equal to sin power 4x plus cos power 4x. F dash find out here 4 sin cube x into cos x minus 4 cos cube x into sin x here, because cos is derivative minus sin x here. So here which is the common here, 4 sin x cos x common, remaining what here, sin square x minus cos square x. Here 2 sin x cos x is what here, sin 2x, and sin square x minus cos square x is minus cos 2x. We know that multiple angles formula here, sin 2x formula 2 sin x cos x and cos 2x formula cos square x minus sin square x. We know that these are formula trigonometry. So again 2 sin x cos x we can write here minus sin 4x. This is f dash x. So what is given here? Increasing. So that is f dash x greater than 0 minus sin 4x greater than 0. That is sin 4x less than 0. So we know that sin x is negative in the which interval? Third and fourth. So it is sin 4x lies between what here? Pi less than 4x less than 2 pi. Dividing by 4 here, pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2. So x belongs to what here? Pi by 4 comma, it is nothing but x belongs to pi by 4 comma pi by 2. Which option correct? Third one. Next, seventh one. Here, define f of x equal to 1 by 2 into mod sin x plus sin x. Here, 0 less than x less than or equal to 2 pi. Then f is first option given increasing in pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. Second one decreasing in 0 comma pi by 2 and increasing in pi by 2 comma pi. Third one, increasing in 0 comma pi by 2 and decreasing in pi by 2 comma pi. Fourth one, increasing in 0 comma pi by 4 and decreasing in pi by 4 comma pi. pi by 4 comma pi. We know that sin x, now only we discuss now sin graph. This is 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Here 0 to pi by 2 increasing. It is what here? 0 to pi by 2 increasing. Pi by 2 pi it is decreasing. The curve. See here. First modulus definition. So mod sin x equal to sin x. ఎప్పుడు in which interval here? 0 to pi. 0 less than x less than or equal to pi. Mod sin x equal to minus sin x. Here 0 to pi given. So here that is pi less than x less than or equal to 2 pi. It is negative because in third fourth it is negative. So now create a function here. F of x equal to 1 by 2 into here mod sin x is what here? Sin x plus sin x. When 0 less than x less than or equal to pi. Equal to 1 by 2 into it is minus sin x plus sin x. So it is pi less than x less than or equal to pi. So this interval will become f of x equal to 2 sin x by 2 means sin x. When 0 less than x less than or equal to pi. 0 when pi less than x less than or equal to 2 pi. So clearly observe here. So what we can say here? F of x equal to sin x graph. So 0 to pi by 2 it is what here? Increasing, and pi by 2 to pi is what here? Decreasing. Pi by 2 pi decreasing. In 0 to pi by 2, in 0 to pi by 2 here, 0 to pi by 2 increasing and pi by 2 to pi decreasing. So third option. Next. 8 1. F of the function f of x equal to log of pi plus x by log of e plus x. First option, increasing in 0 comma infinity. Second one, decreasing in 0 comma infinity. And third one, increasing in 0 comma pi by e. 0 comma pi by e, and decreasing in pi by 2 pi by e comma infinity. Fourth one, decreasing in 0 comma pi by e and increasing in pi by 2 pi by e comma infinity. Right. So here first we have to find out the f dash x. We have to find out here f dash x. So f dash x, we know that u by v formula, u by v formula, du dash minus uv dash by v square. After that, we are find out the f dash x in which interval it is increasing or decreasing. F dash x, that is log of e plus x whole square, log of e plus b u dash 1 by pi plus x minus v u what here, u v dash 1 by e plus x into log of pi plus x. Now taking LCM here e plus x into cross multiplication log of e plus x minus pi plus x into log of pi plus x is divided by denominator fraction will come to the numerator fraction is there na, so denominator come to the denominator here by, so that is pi plus x into e plus x multiply with the denominator, this is log of e plus x whole square. See, once we observe here f dash x, we know that pi greater than e, we know that pi greater than e, both sides apply log pi greater than log e. What I am doing, adding with x, log of pi plus x greater than log of e plus x. Okay na? Here pi greater than e na, I am taking here pi plus x log of pi plus x greater than e plus x log of e plus x, log of e plus x. Okay na? Here that is pi plus x log of pi plus x greater than e plus x log of e plus x. So we can write this is log of e plus x is what here? It is least and it is greater. Least minus greater. Least minus greater, it is how much here? It is negative. Negative means it is less than 0 for all x belongs to R. For all x belongs to real values. So f dash x is less than 0 for all real values means here. So less than 0 means it is decreasing on 0 comma infinity. Second option. Next. F of x equal to, here the function f defined by the function f defined by f of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. Options here, increasing in R, second option, decreasing in R, and third option, increasing in 0 comma infinity and decreasing in minus infinity comma 0, and fourth one, decreasing in 0 comma infinity and increasing in minus infinity comma 0. See here. So first f dash x we have find out here. F of x we take here x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 7. F dash x find out. F dash x equal to 3x square minus 6x plus 5. So f dash x equal to, I am taking here 3 common in this one, x square minus 2x plus 1 I am taking here, 3 into 1, 5 equal to I am taking 3 plus 2, it is what here 2. So this is x minus 1 whole square plus 2. It is perfect square, it is positive. Positive plus positive, it is also positive. So total it is how much here? Positive means it is what here? Greater than 0. F dash x is greater than 0. for all x for any value, x is for any value. So for all x belongs to R, any value it is a positive because power is even is there na. So for any real value it is greater than 0 means greater than 0 is it increasing on R. So which is correct here? First option. Next one. Tenth one. F of x equal to the function f of x equal to x cube minus 27x plus 5. 27x plus 5 is monotonically increasing. Monotonically increasing. Then option is given x less than minus 3 and x mod x greater than 3 for 1. X less than or equal to minus 3. Fourth one mod x greater than or equal to 3. So it is also same. We can find out the factors here. Sorry. Derivative find out here. F of x is what here? X cube minus 27x plus 5. F dash is find out here. F dash x is 3x square minus 27. What is the common? 3 common. X square minus 9. We can write this is x minus 3 x square minus 9 x square minus 3 square, that is x minus 3 into x plus 3. So what is given here? It is increases, it is greater than 0. So we can write this is x square minus 9 equal 0 means x is what here? Plus or minus 3. So it is nothing but mod x greater than 3. So which option is correct here? Second option.